I should have started earlier when I started on this drawing, but I thought, why not film a little bit I'm doing? It's a pencil and crayon. Not a very common media. People like using acrylics and oils, watercolors, magic markers. I'll use anything I got, and right now I have crayons, good old-fashioned Crayola crayons. I don't know if anybody else uses it. Crayons have been around for forever, and if you're ever in a pinch, the lights go out. From what I understand, you can use crayons for candles or wax in the paper. Burn them, give you light, give you some heat. I don't know how they smell. I've never done it, but I think I've seen it somewhere on the internet. Anyways, the name of this drawing is Boat Races. Look on my sky. There it is. Boat races. See the boat. They're on board a yacht there. Girls are watching the races. Thought I'd add this to my YouTube channel. Like one of my movies on YouTube got deleted. I'm missing one. Me singing, of course. Yeah. Someone deleted it. I don't know, maybe Facebook deleted it. Can they do that? Not Facebook. YouTube, excuse me. Then last night, I seen something on the internet. A thing called TikTok. I don't know what that's about yet, but something to look into, I suppose. Anyways. A little darker. I ran out of blue colored pencils. I might have some. I just have to dig around for them. They're in here somewhere. Got a whole box of colored pencils. I'm drawing by looking through the camera lens. It's messed up. Alright. Let's look at the drawing itself. Yeah, whatever. I enjoy drawing. Not sure what media I use or what I'm going to draw. It all starts with a line on the paper. And let the imagination go wild. See the world in my third eye, you might say. Yeah, the subconscious. I don't know how good it is, but it was fun to draw. All right. This is Ken Huff from Tin Castle Studios. Peace out, my art friends. Take care. Bye-bye.